In this poultry farm in Nsimalen, 15,000 day-old chicks are hatched. 15,000 eggs are also laid daily. Productivity has often been done manually. With this newly constructed cage system, the collection and selection of some 20,000 eggs will be done automatically. The demand of table birds, currently higher than supply, is attributed to shortage of parent stocks of chicks. Thanks to the livestock development project Prodel, this hatchery in Ebang Mekong has been furnished with incubators.
There are many persons who need chicken. Normally, we have a capacity to produce 50,000 chicken per month, but we decide to make it every week. Every week we can produce 15,000 chickens.
Day-old chicks are hatched here between 18 and 21 days. The Prodel initiative to increase chicken supply in the country will end in 2023. It was launched in 2017 by the Ministry of Livestock, Fisheries and Animal Industries.